Today we're going to show a Scotchman CPO 315 HFA CNC automatic cold saw. I'm going to show the setup, change diameters of tubing, and change some different lengths. First we're going to use an 1.5 inch diameter tubing. To set my vices, just open them up, close them, tighten it down on the material. Open. For this tubing, I got a couple clicks more than hand tight. I want to go to the auto screen, and I want to cut this job at 40 RPM. I'm going to cut 8.5 inch lengths and 2 of those. So I'm set up there. I want to advance my material just past my blade to do a trim cut. Hit the trim set cycle button. I can control my feed down through the material with 4 control valves. There's my trim. Okay, now I have my job complete. I have 2 pieces 8.5 inches long cut. If I decide now that I want a 6 inch long piece, I can punch that in. Only want 1 of those. I don't have to do the trim cycle start now because it's already clamped and ready to go, so I just hit cycle start. It'll advance my 6 inch part and make the cut. I want to set up on 1 inch size material. So go in the manual screen. Put my 1 inch material in. Set my vices again. Go to auto. Now I want to cut this job at 130 RPM. And let's make 4 inch pieces. And I want to make 3 of those. So again, I advance it slightly past the blade. Trim cut. Job is complete. You can also store jobs. I'm on single profile now, but I can have up to 50 products saved, and I can cut up to 4 different lengths of different quantities in each product. It's a Scotchman CPO 315 HFA CNC automatic